To replace cabin filter. This is glove box, alright, and everything in the glove box you could just throw on the floor, alright, and you remove this bookshelf, okay, and you click the gate over here, and there is two more little clips that you click, and that's how you get access to the air filter. And you see that airflow over there, down arrow, okay, and I guess your air comes from top to the bottom. It's black because this air filter is carbon, activated carbon, alright, you see, but this time I have regular Bad Boys Champion brand. It also looks kind of carbony. All Champion cabin filter use activated carbon. This means filter is up to 99% efficient at eliminating exhaust and other full odors. So I guess this one is as well carbon activated, and here is airflow up, and I don't understand what it means. So where does airflow comes from? From bottom? Up. Okay. You see, it's set up, and the filter flow that way. So I guess I have to put it like this, up, up. Does it make sense? I'll try it on this. Alright. Now, make everything fit. Click. I never use this bookshelf as bookshelf. I don't know what the fuck it's for. But okay, no problem. Stick it here. Alright. And stick it down here. That's it. Alright, now you have new carbon activated filter, and the brand is Champion CCF 1816. Alright, have a nice day.